founded in 2010, is an export-oriented enterprise, integrating industry and trade with product research and development, factory manufacturing, and foreign trade. It has 12 years of experience in bird, insect, and rodent control, and an excellent R&D team. By rich engineering design experience, focus on research and development to manufacturing mousetrap, anti-pest products, such as bird spikes, bird nets, mousetrap, cat scat mat, electronic insect repellent, ultrasonic mosquito dispeller, and other products, to create the most competitive pest control appliance supply specialist, providing customers with stable, safe, high-quality environmental technology products. Build an international brand to enter